make some dumplings.
Let's make some dumplings.
Yes. Melissa King is so amazing. She's taken all these traditional Asian recipes and then made them her own.
I've made dumplings since I was a kid. I remember making handmade dumplings with my grandma. We're doing tofu, shiitake, and salted Napa cabbage dumplings.
Oh wow, it's gonna be
We're gonna
good.
pan sear them, get them crispy. There's just so much beauty in Chinese food because it's all about bringing people to the table, and it's about community, and there's so much culture and history behind these dishes. How many people do we have today?
9 people, so.
9 people, okay.
How many dumplings each?
We're gonna have to make a lot. We're gonna
I
need
know,
some
we need
hands
some
to
help. We need
us.
some help.
Knock, knock.
There they are.
Excited to get to work.
Everyone take a wrapper, dab your finger in the water, and just kind of wring it around the edges, and that will help seal the dumpling. Then put a little bit of this filling right in the center. And then you fold it like a taco, and then we're gonna crimp the side facing us.
Oh.
One side's crimped, the other side is flat. And then you have a little base on the bottom where you can pan fry them.
Oh, okay. Oh gosh. My goal is just to outdo John.
So crimp.
Yeah, that's great.
So I'm getting there.
Honestly, first try, this is excellent.
Ta-da.
That's beautiful.
That's a good one.
Nailed it. Let me see yours.
No, I gotta
Oh,
just
come
go.
on, show
I'm
yours,
I'm
Jonathan.
working on it still.
Jonathan's still on his first one. I mean, we filled up that whole
Thank you for your help. I don't know how we would have made these all without you two.
I found the recipes to be emotional, sentimental, just pure love.
I see our dumplings.
We also have
yeah.
our dumplings.
Wow. Grandpa got into the dumplings.
That is really good.